Check out the mixing bowls with airtight lids set. This 26-piece set includes stainless steel khaki bowls with greater attachments and non-slip bottoms, perfect for all your kitchen needs. The airtight lids keep your ingredients fresh, and the set also comes with various kitchen gadgets to make meal prep a breeze. Whether you're mixing, grating, or storing, this versatile set has you covered. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your kitchen.
Introducing the digital wireless meat thermometer. With an 800 feet long-range Bluetooth connection, this thermometer lets you remotely monitor your grill, oven, smoker, air fryer, or rotisserie with ease. The Vakaya Mandolin Slicer. This versatile kitchen tool is perfect for slicing potatoes, vegetables, onions, and tomatoes. The adjustable stainless steel blades ensure precise cuts, while the included cut-resistant gloves keep you safe. Whether you're julienning veggies or chopping ingredients, this mandolin slicer makes food prep quick and easy. Upgrade your kitchen with the Vakaya Mandolin Slicer for perfect, effortless slicing every time. Introducing the silicone faucet handle drip catcher tray mat. This versatile mat not only catches drips from your faucet, but also doubles as a dish soap and sponge holder. Perfect for your kitchen sink, it keeps your counter dry and organized. Made from durable silicone, it's easy to clean and fits any kitchen or bathroom sink. Upgrade your sink area with this practical and stylish splash guard in gray. Introducing the Royal Craft with wooden cutting boards. Perfect for kitchen meal prep and serving, this bamboo wood set features deep juice grooves and side handles for easy use. Ideal for charcuterie, chopping, and butchering meat, these durable cutting boards are a must-have for any kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with the elegance and functionality of Royal Craft wood.